Focus. There it is. We found this highly venomous, dangerous creature down here.
Buddy, come down here, sweetheart.
Not. That's just a fuzzy caterpillar.
Cougar
Just chilling.
come down here.
Of course.
I found a plant.
Big sister Belle
I need to...
I found an acorn.
decided to put it on the
Lucky!
leaf.
Mom,
And now here we are, about to pack up and head home. Are you gonna find a nice bush for him?
Yeah.
Okay. And we got
Don't touch him, you bud.
Cougar and Lucky.
I want to pet him.
Lucky! Little mountain dog. He is crazy.
Oh, you better be careful and not knock that
Yeah,
trailer over.
like, is she gonna like just...
Oh my God!
What the? Lucky? Are you serious?
Did you get that?
Yeah. What the heck? We're just right before I started taking this video. I'm like, man, Lucky's got to be like what, 10, 12? He's an old dog, and there he goes jumping off freaking. You goofball. Ate dirt. Oh. Well, never a dull moment. Hey, thanks for that entertainment, dude. I hope you're all right. He seems to be okay. He's wagging his tail. What a goofball. My goodness. He jumped off that cliff right there. Right there, you can see where he ate it. Oh my gosh. What a goofball. Crazy dog. All right, Cougar, you good?
Yeah.
All right.